Hey beauties! Want glowing skin, stronger joints, and healthy hair? Collagen is the secret. And the best part? You can easily make it at home. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain the structure of your skin, joints, and bones. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles and joint pain. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. Making collagen at home is easier than you think. Start with plain gelatin, which contains collagen. Just grab a packet of unflavored jelly, mix it with boiling water, and let it set in the fridge. Once it's set, you have a collagen-packed treat. You can enjoy it as a snack, add it to smoothies, or even mix it into your favorite desserts. You can add the juice of half a lemon or orange to boost the vitamin C content, or honey for sweetness. You can also add chopped fruits like strawberries or blueberries for extra nutrients and flavor. By adding homemade collagen jelly to your diet, you're giving your body the boost it needs for healthier skin and joints. Try it today and feel the difference. Remember to like and subscribe to Pure Beauty, stay fabulous, and I will see you in my next one.